Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm getting ready to unbox this palette, so watch for that video tomorrow. And you guys have been asking for some Hooked on Pickin merchandise, so let me show you what I got. All right, so you've seen a lot of my Hooked on Pickin logo in the background of my videos, but I've got this shirt. It's got the Hooked on Pickin logo right there on the front corner. And then on the back, it's got hookedonpickin.com. And so I've got that available, as well as some fun coffee cups. Because you know you need your Hooked on Pickin when you drink your coffee in the morning, and you know I'm obsessed with coffee, so therefore you got that. And then we got some other stuff. Let me show you. Like hoodies, Hooked on Pickin, various different colors. My favorite color is blue, so I have it in here. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Okay? And for those of you who are bigger guys, I got big sizes too. So this is a plain sweatshirt, crew neck sweatshirt. I've got other t-shirts. This one also says, in the end, Jesus wins. But I've got some that just say hookedonpickin.com, or they're plain on the back. So if you'd like some Hooked on Pickin merchandise, check the link in the description below. I will definitely have your size. The other day, someone bought a 5X from me. So, and they go all the way down to teeny tiny kids. They even have onesies. Yes, you can have your own Hooked on Pickin baby onesie. So those are just kind of some of the samples that I've got to show you, but check out my website. It's got tons of things on there, and you can be Hooked on Pickin too. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.